In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a meeting in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your meeting, find the attendee list, remove the right person, and send an update so everyone stays informed. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. This walkthrough is for the desktop app, which gives you the full set of meeting options. Make sure you're in the correct profile if you use multiple accounts at work. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your work or school account. This ensures you have access to your calendar, permissions to edit the meeting, and the ability to notify attendees of changes. Next, go to your calendar. Find the meeting you want to edit and double-click it to open the full meeting window. If the meeting is part of a recurring series, Outlook may ask whether you want to open just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose what fits your situation before proceeding. Opening the full meeting window is important because that's where you can view and manage the attendee list. Once the meeting is open, locate the attendee list. In many versions of Outlook, you'll see it on the right side under the People or Attendees pane. In others, you might see it within the meeting details or under the Scheduling Assistant tab. Look for the person you want to remove and click the X icon next to their name. Outlook may prompt you to confirm the removal. Keep in mind, you can't remove the organizer from their own meeting, and conference rooms or resources may behave differently depending on your organization's settings. After you remove the attendee, click Send Update or Save Update to finalize the change. Outlook may ask whether you want to send updates to everyone or only to attendees who were added or removed. If your goal is simply to remove one person without cluttering everyone's inbox, choose the option to send updates only to added or removed attendees. If you prefer, you can add a brief note in the update to explain the change, which helps avoid confusion. Once you send the update, the removed person will receive a cancellation for that meeting, and the remaining attendees will keep the current details. That's it. You launched Outlook, opened the meeting, removed the attendee, and sent the update. If the meeting is recurring, repeat the process for a single occurrence or apply it to the entire series when needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.